Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and believe it or not, so if you saw any of my recent videos, you might have seen where I talked about I am now selling some new in-box and other dolly type things on eBay. And of course, while I was over there on eBay listing the things that I'm trying to sell, I found a doll I wanted. And I got her at a really good price. She's a customized Blythe doll. And she's super cute, but I might tweak her a little bit. But let us see. She's from two gals who customized her together, which I think is sounds very fun. Got her all wrapped up here. Look at those little footsies. Look at those little tootsies. So cute. I really liked her carving. And she just, I don't know, she spoke to me. She looked so cute. She said, "You need to get me, girl. You need to buy me." So she's, she's a TBL. Oh, look at how cute her little face is with those freckles. Oh, no, my goodness. All right, so let's see. Does she have, yes, it looks like she has 2 pull charms. So she has sleepy eyes. Let me get her hair out of there. Oh, her name, they named her Martha. And she has these 2 pull cords. Look at those eyes. So those eyes, obviously they changed out her eyes. And they look, they do look boggled. You can see like here, they're very wide. Which gives her a really cute look. And her eyelashes have been switched out. Those are her painted eyelids, which I will say the photograph I saw of these eyelids don't do them justice. I wasn't sure what I thought about them, and I was actually thinking of repainting them, but now that I see them, I kind of like them better. So I don't know. Her eyelashes look really cute. Oh, that's a good clicking sound. Let me pull up her eyes. Here's her front. She's got a little something on there. There we go. And I typically am not a fan of the big eyes because I like to see the eyelids. But I don't know. I might, because what they did is they shaved a little bit off the T-bar. So if you don't like that, you can just put a new T-bar on there. But we'll see. Obviously, I'm going to keep her like this for a while. She's got brown eyes. I mean, when you do that wide-eyed look, it gives them this sort of innocence to them. The mechanism works really, really well. And there's front facing. But she came with this super cute little outfit on and the Leica body. I love the Leica body. And honestly, I don't have a lot of dolls, a lot of the Blythe on Leica. I think, now that I say that, I think I only have Sorry on a Leica body. But look how cute. This is a really pale body. She's got some rouge on her face. They also decorated the back of her faceplate, and there's their signature. Susan and Jen 422. Again, this looks a lot better in person than the photograph. So her hair is just this cute little brown. Again, I'm not sure if I'm going, like I said, I got a really good price on her, and I was thinking I might switch out a few things, but I'm going to leave her as is for a while and just get to know her. I actually have a line of dolls that are waiting. Oh, she has eyebrows. Oh, she has eyebrows and freckles on the... I didn't know that. Look how cute. Yeah, she's going to stay like this for probably quite a while before... I'll have to rethink. I was thinking of switching out her scalp and, like I said, redoing her eyelids, but now that I see her in person, I just think she's really adorable as she is. Look how cute. She's adorable. She's got this, little girl innocent look to her that I really like. Her hair's nice too. It's you know, it's a little dry on the ends, but actually it's not greasy or anything like that. Yeah, she's cute. Very happy I have not gotten a custom Blythe in a really long time. And I am customizing, you know, somewhat myself now, but I cannot do the carving. I don't know if that's something I'll ever manage to get the hang of, but look at her little mouth. They did a really good job, I think, with the carving. It's subtle and sweet looking. And yeah, I'm very, very happy with my purchase. She's super sweet. Yeah. Aren't you, Martha? Yeah, and I think Martha's a cute name for her. All right, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? If you were to get this doll, you wanted to redo anything with her, what are things that you might do as far as recustomizing her? I often like to try to find dolls to recustomize. Oh, she even has panties on. Thanks for the panties. I often look for customized dolls that I can kind of redo a little bit, that maybe need a little bit of love. But like I said, she's in much better shape than I had anticipated. I don't know. Again, I'm not sure about those boggled eyes, because it's just, I mean, it gives her that cute look, but then it kind of, I don't know. It's not, I'm not used to the boggle. I like to see lids, now that I say that. But anyway, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on Martha. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Dolly Day. Thanks for stopping by and spending some time with me. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Bye-bye.